Guys, I'm so excited. Ready?
Yeah!
Okay, let's open this.
Stop all together.
Okay, ready? Whoa.
Whoa. It's so cool. Oh, mine's purple. Look at that. Ooh.
This is so cool. Overflowing. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, not yet. I messed up. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Heidi, ready? I gotta refill this.
Yeah. Oh no, I have to put more, but I don't have any more. I'm out. Hey guys, I'm out.
Me too, I'm out.
Oh, too. Oh, guys, good game.
Good game, Heidi. That was so much fun, you guys. It was the best time ever.
Yeah. I think I won because I have the least paint.
No, I think I won.
No, I have the least paint.
Zidane, like, has a lot of paint.
What about you?
Me?
You're most color orange, so I'm going to pick out yours.
No. Okay, guys, good game. That was so much fun.
Yeah, I think I won because
Zidane.
oh, Mom's car!
The car.
Little paint.
Oh my gosh, guys, Mom is gonna be so disappointed that we did this to the car.
Yeah, look at that color.
But we have to be honest and tell her the truth that we accidentally did this.
Yeah, always be honest to your parents and your siblings.
Yeah. Okay, let's go tell her.
Yes?
Look at the car.
What happened? Oh no. Okay, you know what, guys? Just go take a shower and let's go take it to the car wash.
Yay! Car wash!
Thank you guys for being honest. Thank you for letting me know.
Okay guys, we're almost here. Let me get the ticket.
We're almost there. That car just has to finish.
Whoa! That looks so cool.
Oh my gosh. Almost there.
Okay guys, ready?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yay, it's coming to us.
Oh my gosh.
super clean now.
Hey, let's see the car. Yay, it's so clean.
Yay, the car's so clean.
Mom's probably so happy.
Yeah.
I'm so glad she understood that we got the car dirty by accident. Bye. Don't forget to go check out our new merch. Like, share, and subscribe.
I won the battle.